The topic we are going to discuss about is S and P block elements. And the subtopic is electronic configuration. In modern periodic table, elements are arranged in ascending order of their atomic masses from left to right. So here you can see elements are arranged according to their increasing atomic numbers. Hydrogen is 1, then helium is 2, then lithium is 3, beryllium 4, boron 5, and so on. Then are the groups and periods. Elements with similar properties are placed in vertical columns जिन्हें हम groups कहते हैं. 8 groups numbered by Roman numerals 1A to 8A. Each group is subdivided into 2 subgroups जिसे हम A और B subgroups कहते हैं. A group contains representative or normal elements. B group contains less typical elements जिन्हें हम transition metals कहते हैं. And the horizontal rows of the periodic table are called periods. So here you can see these are the vertical columns जिन्हें हम groups कह रहे हैं, and these are the horizontal rows जिन्हें हम periods कह रहे हैं. Let's discuss the features of periodic table. There are 7 periods in the periodic table numbered by Arabic numerals. Period 1 में सिर्फ 2 elements होते हैं, hydrogen and helium. Period 2 and 3 contain 8 elements each और इन्हें हम short periods कहते हैं. और इनमें हर 8th element first element के साथ properties में resemble कर रहा होता है. Period 4 and 5 are long periods, consist of 18 elements, out of which 8 are representative elements, जबकि 10 जो है वो transition elements होते हैं. इनमें repetition in properties of elements occur every 18th element. Next we have period 6, that is a long period. It contains 32 elements. 8 elements representative हैं, 10 are transitional elements, जबकि एक new series add होती है, that is lengthenides. Period 7 incomplete है, इसमें सिर्फ 2 normal elements हैं, 10 transition elements हैं, जबकि 14 inner transition elements हैं. Inner transition series को हम actinides कहते हैं क्योंकि ये actinide से शुरू होती है. So here you can see there are 7 periods. First में just 2 elements हैं, next we have 8 elements, third में भी 8, और fourth से हमें transition elements मिलना start हो जाते हैं. और 6 और 7 में यहाँ पे lanthanides add होती है, और 7th में we have actinide series. Next are the families in the periodic table. These are alkali metals, alkaline earth metals, halogens, or noble gases. Each group in a periodic table represents a family. First one is alkali metals and alkaline earth metals. Then we have icosahexanes, then crystallogens, then ptycogens, then chalcogens. Then we have halogens or neon gases. Next are the blocks in the periodic table. Elements are classified into blocks based upon the atomic orbital of the element involved in the chemical bonding. These are S block elements, P block elements, D block elements, or F block elements. So in this diagram, you can see we have 4 blocks. These are S block elements, these are P block elements, these are D block elements, and these are F block elements. S block elements वो elements होते हैं जिनमें s orbital bonding में involve होता है. P में we have P block और P orbital involving in the electronic configuration या bonding में. D block elements में D orbital is involved, transition series में हमें पता है. और जबकि F block elements are those इनमें F orbital जो है वो bonding में involve हो रहा होता है. तो इस basis पे हम electronic configuration या atomic bonding की base पे हम elements को different box पे put कर रहे होते हैं. There is another division in the periodic table. The elements on the left side and the middle and at the bottom of the periodic table are metals. While lower members of 3A, 4A, and 5A have properties of both metals and non-metals, In periodic table, elements of group 4A to 8A at the top right hand corner above the step line are non-metals, जबकि under the steps are the metalloids. All the remaining except hydrogen are metals. So in this periodic table you can see यहाँ पे जो हमारे left side पे जितने भी elements हैं these are metals, जबकि on the right side we have non-metals. और ये जो है these are the metalloids. बाकी we have transition metals और ये outer transition series होती हैं और ये inner transition series होती है. So these are non-metals. Green जो है वो हमारे पास metalloids हैं, जबकि blue में जितनी भी हैं वो सारी की सारी metals हैं. So this was all about the features and characteristics of periodic table. I hope you have understood it well, and thank you so much.